Hey there, my name is Nicole and I've been an Enagic distributor for about 18 months now. And today I want to talk to you about the power of the 6.0 pH water. It's on here and they call it the beauty water. And they call it that because it makes for an excellent toner for your skin, for men, women, you name it. But there's also a few more cool benefits to this water. It works really good for cleaning. I pretty much fill up a bucket of water with the 6.0 and I clean my floors with that. And one cool trick I found out a few weeks ago is it works really good on mirrors and windows. So I'm going to turn the water on here, get my cloth wet with the 6.0. It's not going to be dripping wet, just damp basically. And then we will head to the bathroom and get that mirror cleaned. Alright, so that is definitely wet enough. And here we go to the dirty bathroom mirror. Okay, so this is my gross mirror. I did this morning. I took a toothbrush full of toothpaste and I splattered my mirror with it. My mirrors don't ever get this dirty. And then I got my fingerprints all over it. So I know for people with small children in the home, your mirrors are probably not going to get this dirty and gross, but I just wanted to really show you how well this water works. So I've got my cloth with the 6.0 on it, and I'm just going to give this a big old wipe down. And first of all, it comes off really easily. I'm not using any effort. And this was actually put on, I would say about 5 hours ago. So it was nice and dry and crusty on here, as gross as that sounds. And the nice thing that I found out about using the 6.0 on my mirrors and my windows was that I don't have to go back over it with a dry cloth. This will dry and it will dry without streaks or spots or anything. And so that was really cool. I don't like to clean, but I like a clean house. So any way that I can keep my house clean and not have to spend a whole lot of time on it is super valuable for me. So the nice thing about the 6.0 is it shines the surface, but it also prevents the oils from our skin to leave fingerprints for future use. So it's definitely going to prevent so many fingerprints being shown on your mirror. So as you can see, it is dry and I do not see any streaks or spots on here. So this is a super cool trick that I learned. And if you want some more info about this product, just shoot me a message or comment info down below. Thanks, guys.